Hi there! If you are going to invest in this company, Lucid Group, you have to know how much you can make. How much can the stock price grow in the next 10 years? You have to ask that question. And then you might want to take advantage of the stock price. So right now, the market cap is about 6 billion, 6.5 billion. And if you compare this company with other companies, and also look at the market size for Lucid, especially for their segment, luxury cars, you can see that the market size in 2022 was about 617 billion. And Lucid reported for the last quarter, Q3, the revenue of about 200 million. So per year, they are making between 800 and 1 billion in revenue. So let's say 1 billion revenue for the moment. Lucid is making 1 billion revenue per year. And if you look at the market size, it's around 617 billion. So you can easily see the big difference. Only a 10x in the revenue of Lucid, and you will have a market share of about 1 to 2%. That's amazing. If Lucid can get a market share around 2%, then its revenue will go up 10x. And if the revenue goes up 10x, also the stock price will go up. From the current level, the market cap can also go 10x to 60 billion. That will be amazing for shareholders, especially the current shareholders. Now, if you compare this company, as I said at the beginning, with other luxury car companies, you will notice that this increase in the stock price of 10x may be possible. Because if you look at Mercedes-Benz Group, another car luxury company, you can see that the market cap is about 60 billion. And Lucid has only 6 billion. So, if Lucid can produce better cars than Mercedes-Benz, then why not Lucid can go up 10x to reach a market cap of about 60 billion? Why not? They have their opportunities, their chances, and they're trying to improve their products, produce more cars, and deliver more. Then let's look at another company. For instance, Volkswagen Group, which has a market cap of about 45 billion euros. Again, this group has also some luxury cars. So you can see that this is another company with a market size close to 50 billion. The next company is BMW, which has a market cap of about 42 billion, another car luxury company. Then Toyota, of course, the market cap is over 271 billion. They have more products compared to the others. And of course, the latest and the winner in this industry is Tesla, with a market cap of 1 trillion. So when you look at Lucid with a market cap of only 6 billion and look at the other companies, you see this big difference. And also look at the market size, which is about 617 billion. And they only make, for now, for the moment, 1 billion revenue. So there is a lot of room for Lucid to grow in the future, a 10x in the stock price. But be aware of this. That can only happen if, only if, they can improve their operations, improve their products, and to convince consumers to buy their cars. If they can do that, then Lucid will become a great company. 10x in the stock price in the next 10 years. As you've noticed, their cars are quite amazing. The design is excellent. Then, we can also look at other indicators. For instance, the luxury car brands in the US in 2023 based on unit sales. You can see that Tesla is on first place with over 600,000 vehicles sold. BMW, Lexus, Mercedes-Benz, and Volkswagen Group, Audi. So as you can see, those numbers are over or close to 300,000 vehicles a year. And Lucid is about to produce a year only 9,000 vehicles. Again, another indicator where you can see that Lucid has a lot of room to grow. For the moment, they are trying to improve their operations. If you look at their balance sheet, it doesn't look that great because, as you probably know, this company is not profitable yet. The revenue for the last quarter was about 200 million and their net loss was close to 1 billion. Quite bad. What's important about this company is the cash they have. They have enough liquidity to fund their operations. As they said in their statement, they have 5.1 billion in total liquidity. This means that they can fund their operations for the next 12 months. And you compare this cash, 5 billion, with a market cap of 6.5 billion, you see that it's close to the market cap, their cash position. But of course, as they are burning a lot of money to fund their operations, invest in infrastructure, they'll use all their money to invest in the future of Lucid. And if they succeed, that will be great for all shareholders of this company, Lucid. But if they fail, you know the answer, what will happen. So the reward is quite high. You can get a 10x in the next 10 years if everything goes right. If they fail, you know what will happen with Lucid. You may have further dilution and bankruptcy. That's why it's up to you if you want to take this risk and look only at the reward. You've already seen the market size for Lucid. Over 600 billion in 2022 and is expected to grow by or close to 6% a year from 2023 to 2030. So they have a lot of opportunities. If you are planning to invest in this company, you may want to take advantage. It doesn't matter what price you pay if you believe in the future of this company, that they'll grow, they'll become, or they'll surpass Mercedes, Volkswagen, BMW, or Toyota. Let's exclude Tesla because they have no chance against them. But anyway, if they can achieve a market size of about 50 billion, then you have a 10x for Lucid. So it's easy to assess. Compare Lucid, their products, their cars, with those companies, Mercedes, Volkswagen, and BMW. If you believe that Lucid can surpass all these three companies and others, then you can take advantage. If you don't believe, then don't invest in this company. It's simple. Of course, for the moment, they are burning a lot of money. They have huge losses and a lot of dilution. But as I said, if they succeed, they may succeed to raise new money. As you can see, they raised 1.7 billion in October 2024. And they might do so in the future by issuing more shares or attracting other investors. But you have to look at the future. If they can succeed in the next 10 years. If the answer is yes, then you can invest at this moment and take advantage of the stock price. But if you don't believe that Lucid can surpass Mercedes, Volkswagen, BMW, and also Toyota, then don't invest in Lucid. Simple, quite simple. And if you want to know more about the risk of investing in Lucid, you can ask me in the comments. Or anything you want to know about this company, especially about their fundamentals and their risks. So that's it for this video, and if you have other questions, please let me know in the comments.